Adobe Illustrator's new 3D effects are here, and they're a total game changer. From adding depth to your designs to creating realistic textures, these tools will take your vector work to a whole new level. Let's kick things off by installing Adobe Illustrator on your computer. If you haven't done this yet, don't worry. It's a straightforward process. Just click the link in the description below to head over to Adobe's Creative Cloud website. Once you're on the Adobe Creative Cloud page, click the Start Free Trial button and choose your plan. Adobe will ask you to select a plan, even though this is a free trial. You'll need to pick one to get started. The individual plan offers a 7-day trial and is perfect for personal use. The business plan offers a 14-day trial with added features and team collaboration tools. Choose what suits you best. You'll need to enter the email address you want your Adobe account to be connected with, then click Continue to activate your trial. You'll also need to enter your payment information. But don't worry, Adobe won't charge you during the trial period. Next, download the Creative Cloud app. Once you've signed up, Adobe will guide you through downloading the Creative Cloud app. Install it, log in with your new account, and you're ready to go. Inside the Creative Cloud app, navigate to the Apps section, locate Adobe Illustrator, and click Install. Depending on your internet speed, the download and installation process should only take a few minutes. Once Illustrator is installed, you're ready to explore its incredible features, including the new 3D effects we'll explore in this video. Now let's discuss these 3D effects. Once you've opened Illustrator, start by creating any text or shape. Then go to the Effects menu and look for 3D and Materials. You'll find a range of tools that are incredibly user-friendly, making the process a breeze. These tools allow you to add depth, create 3D objects, and apply textures and materials to bring your designs to life. These 3D effects are designed to be user-friendly, regardless of your level of experience. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just getting started with Illustrator, you'll feel right at home. Once you're done, you can easily export your designs to Photoshop or After Effects if you want to take things even further. If you haven't already, hit that link in the description to download Illustrator and get started. Trust me, once you try these 3D tools, you'll wonder how you ever designed without them. Remember to download Illustrator through the link below so you can follow along and start experimenting with these tools right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy designing!